Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to cover a very important feature in Adobe XD, which is the repeat grid. For that I'm going to create a profile holder. I'll just create a rectangle like this, rectangle or a square. Let's make it rounded, and I think like this. Yeah, let's increase the border. Actually, I'll keep it the same. Let's keep it like this. And then we are going to put a photo inside this one. Go to the folder. In the resource folder, you can find these photos for this lesson. Just drag and drop. You already know how to do this. We covered that. Okay. Now I will make another rectangle for the name placeholder. I'll create something like this. Let's round it as well. Put it in the middle, and then we are going to round the corners, and we will change the color. First I will remove the border, and then we are going to change the color to purple, my favorite. Something like this will be good. And then we will put a text on it. I will write the name for her. Maybe I'll name her Mary. And then change the color and the size to fit inside the placeholder. Okay, change the color to white. And then we will put the name in the middle. I will keep it like this, I think. Then let's see how it will look like if we round the corner all the way back. No, actually, I don't like it. Okay, I will keep it like this. We are not trying to make anything perfect. So this is our first profile. And if you want to make more profiles, I will just select this one and Command D or Control D to duplicate. I can use also Option and Alt to duplicate, just like this. But this process is very time consuming, especially if you are working on a project that you need a lot of duplicates or galleries. Now the repeat grids come in handy. Just select it, right click and group it. Now we have this one. Now we will select it and use repeat grid. Click on it. Now with these handles, just move it to the sides. And like this, we made a grid. This is very useful to create similar stuff in your UI design, especially galleries and profile stories and things like this. You can adjust the space between them like this. It's very easy and handy. Okay, I will keep it like this. Let's remove this bit that we have in the bottom. And now if you want to change the photos, it's very easy. Just go to the folder that you have photos. You can download this from the resource folder and drag and drop over one of them. Adobe XD will automatically replace them in each grid. So like this, we perfectly replaced all of the photos without taking so much time. Now if you want to change the text, that's very easy as well. You will just write your names in a text file. You can find this text file in the resource folder, and then you will move your text file over one of the text. Just drag and drop, move over one of the text, and like this, Adobe XD will replace all of the text. So this is the magic of repeat grid. It's very useful and it will make your life very easy when it comes to creating galleries, grids, and profiles. And as you can see, you can edit all of them together like this. You can change the roundness, you can change the position, you can even change the color. And you can also add shadows. You can do all of the things, and it will be applied for all of the grids. Okay, let's try to change the color as well, the color for the names. Yeah, so it's like this. So if you change the color or anything for one of them, it will be changed for all of them. But what if you want to change for one of them only? In this case, you need to ungroup the repeat grid. So you'll just select it, right click, and then ungroup grid. Or you can go to the layers over here, right click it over here and ungroup grid. Or you can do it over here actually. just ungroup it. Now they are separated. You can change all of them separately. They are different groups now. Okay guys, so this is all about the repeat grid. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. This is very important. I hope you go ahead and practice with this before moving to the next lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.